What's up, gentlemen? So one of the things that absolutely is going to help you be a social ninja is developing an incredible smile, because your smile is the most powerful nonverbal communicating tool that you have. If you use it properly, game over, you win. But if you use it or deploy it improperly, you could look super creepy. Did you see that? Well, exactly. That's a perfect example, right? If a spicy senorita takes a picture, right, and she sticks her little, bites her tongue, you're like, damn, that's so sexy. But if a dude does it, it's so freaking unsexy, it's ridiculous. And so in an attempt to help you knock it out of the smile park today, I'm going over 10 of the biggest smile don'ts. But I'm also going to show you how to fix it and have an incredibly attractive smile. I'm going to break this video up into two parts. The first part, I'm going to tell you and teach you some ways to have a better, more attractive, whiter, and sexier smile. The second part, I'm going to go over a lot of the do's, the don'ts in terms of you giving them the grill. Gentlemen, if you're ready and that sounds good, why don't you drop me one of these. First smile don't is don't be insecure and weird about smiling. If you're insecure about your smile, it's about identifying why and then fixing it. There are so many different options these days in terms of orthodontic and dental procedures to make sure that you've got an incredible smile. Now, it may mean you gotta save up, it may mean that you gotta finance it, but financing an incredible smile that you're ready to rock, I say is worth it. But this brings me to the second men's smile don't. Don't have a dirty, nasty, disgusting mouth. All right, have you ever talked to somebody or seen somebody who smiles, right, and their teeth literally have like crap in it? They look discolored, they almost look like fuzzy. In terms of making sure that your mouth, your smile is as healthy as possible, there are a few basic tips. Now, ideally, you should be going to the dentist every 6 months for a proper checkup and cleaning. Now, I know that a lot of you don't, and so what I'd like to do is go over some other tips that are going to ensure that your mouth is as healthy as humanly possible. Floss every day, all right? At least once a day to remove the gunk between your teeth, but really flossing is about making sure that you're removing all of the plaque and crappy bacteria that gets up in the gum line. Number two is use a sonic toothbrush if you're not. Now, a lot of you guys understand that this is like 1,000% better than the old standard nasty ass crusty brush that sucks big hairy unmanscaped monster nuts. Gentlemen, a sonic toothbrush is a game changer. Think of the first time you put on a fitted, tailored dress shirt. You were like, oh damn, oh my god, I look so amazing, it's so incredible. Sonic toothbrushes essentially are the fitted dress shirts for your mouth. I'm telling you, when you switch to a sonic toothbrush, it's like night and day, the difference in terms of how clean your teeth actually feel, look, and the whiteness is insane. The sonic toothbrush that I use is the Brio Smartclean. All right, I've been using this ever since it came out. I am a huge Brio fanboy. You guys all know about the grooming tool. Well, when they came out with a toothbrush, I was like, yo Eric, send me one, I gotta try it. And this honestly is the best sonic toothbrush I've ever tried. And there are a few reasons for that. Number one, it's black. I just like a black toothbrush sitting by my sink. It just looks sexy, all right? The battery life, 6 months. Literally, you can go 6 months using it twice a day, every day, and not have to charge this thing. Just like the Brio grooming tool, the battery life is insane. It comes with 3 different brush heads when you actually grab it. So if you don't like this style, you can try the other style. The other thing that I love about this tool is that it has different settings, all right? All right, check it out. As you rotate or cycle through the different settings and speeds, it actually changes the speed that it's actually brushing. Guys, the other thing that I love about this is that you can actually sign up, and that's actually what I'd recommend, for replacement heads to be shipped to you automatically. And when you do this, the cool thing is that it has a lifetime warranty when you actually are a subscriber. Now, the other cool thing is that this product has a 90-day warranty. So if you get it, you try it, you don't think it's the best brush in the business, you can actually get your money back. If you go through that special link for a limited time, they're also giving you not only the best deal, best discount you will ever find on this brush, you're also gonna get a free tube of the Ollie teeth whitening toothpaste, plus some samples of the Ollie teeth whitening strips for free. Gentlemen, hit the link down below and go grab yourself the best toothbrush you'll ever use, because not only is your mouth gonna be fresher, whiter, and cleaner, your smile is gonna be better. Which brings me to the third men's smile don't. Don't have discolored or yellow teeth. It doesn't matter the quantity or the quality of the teeth in your mouth. If your teeth are white, it's gonna make your smile better. You're gonna be more apt to be like, yo, mamacita, right? You're gonna be smiling more because you know your teeth are white. Now, a few things that you can do. You can get those like bleaching trays, right? But in my experience, they actually make your teeth a little bit too sensitive. The teeth whitening strips are my favorite and what I use in order to whiten my teeth, all right? And the reason is pretty simple. They're easy, they're fast, and they're effective. The Ollie strips are the best strips I've ever used. They make your teeth whiter, faster, for longer. You can't even see them. You can talk, you don't sound all like, that's one of the other problems with the bleaching trays. If you want to grab a pack of Ollie strips, guys, you can also do that through the Brio link. All right, guys, so now let's go over some more smile rules to make sure that the smile you're given is sexy and not creepy, all right? So the one thing I want to tell you, if you bite your lip and a smile, right, you got to stop because you look really, really weird and a little bit weird. Touching your mouth? Also not appropriate, all right? You look creepy, all right? There's like one guy in the history of dudes that looks good doing that, Alex Costa. You're not him, neither am I. Something else you need to not do is allow your mustache hair to come and cover your lips, all right? Nobody wants to see nasty hairs in your lips, so you gotta make sure you're trimming it up. Speaking of lips, the next thing we gotta talk about is crusty, cracked lips. Vaseline at night, my secret weapon. I have literally never had chapped lips like in my life because I know the secret, which is a little bit of Vaseline on them before you go to bed. Now, the problem with like chapsticks and different like lip balms is that a lot of times the ones that you buy in the stores have agents in them that actually dry and crack your lips more. If your eyes are down and you smile at somebody like that, you look creepy. A little smirk. Smirking isn't good, right? Neither is a half-ass fake smile, all right? Like this. See what's happening, right? My face up here is totally dead. When you're smiling at somebody, you smile with your eyes, right? Your eyes are what actually tell somebody that you're happy, that you're engaging, that you're friendly, and that you're sexy. When you smile at somebody, to let them know that you're smiling, it's a whole face thing, right? Your eyes are going to smile, right? But when you just use your mouth, right, and you're not like actually smiling or like wrinkling your head up here, it makes somebody not trust you. Fake smile is literally worse than not smiling at all. But in a picture, if you smile all big and cheese in it, right, you're gonna look terrible. And so you gotta know when you're taking a picture to use the tongue trick, which is the next rule. The tongue trick, right? You're pressing your tongue against the back of your teeth, all right? It's an old modeling trick, and what happens, you're smiling, but because you're focusing on pressing against the back of your teeth, it's allowing your upper portion or region of your face to relax so that you're not all squinty and cheesy and looking all wrinkled. Now let's talk about head position when you're actually smiling, all right? If you smile and your head's back and you're looking at somebody, it makes you look arrogant, cocky, and really full of yourself, all right? If you're smiling and your head's down, it makes you look sneaky and definitely like a perv. Now, let's talk about your eyes, right? If you're smiling and you're not looking at somebody, how engaging is this? It's not. It looks like you're shy. It looks like you're a little bit submissive and weak. You gotta make sure you're locked and loaded. Smiling too fast also is a little bit unnerving, right? You wanna work into the smile. It's there, right? And then relax after about 3 seconds. Raising your eyes really big when you're smiling makes you look like, like you're like really energetic and exciting. It also makes you look like a little bit off, right? And so what I recommend, gentlemen, you gotta act like you've been there before. You're smiling, right? You're not going crazy with the eyes. Your smile is your most powerful nonverbal communicating tool that you have at your disposal. If you're not using it, you're not smiling at people, like, what are you doing? Who are you? I don't even know you. It's critical for you to be viewed as friendly, as engaging, as competent, as somebody that I want to hang out with, as somebody that a spicy senorita wants to get frisky with, and somebody wants to hire, because people want to be around people that are friendly and outgoing. And when you smile and you know how to do it properly and not bite your tongue, gentlemen, game over, you win, you're amazing. You're also sexy.